Well, hello there, boys and girls, and welcome to another video. Happy 2023, first video of the year. I have a ton of stuff that I've ended up picking up to renovate and just change things up. I have a whole stack of Insta360 stuff here that I need to start fiddling with and do videos on. And I just realized my chair is really freaking low. All right, that's a little bit better. Holy crap. That's what happens when you haven't sat in here for a few weeks. Today is going to be a really short and simple video. I ended up picking up a small display base for some of the woodcraft that I have been doing for doing photography, and also, for doing some shots on some little guys like this. Minis, things like that. That's what today's video is. I've actually gone through a couple of them, and this one seems to be fairly decent. It doesn't have some features that I wish it did, but then again, it'd probably be more expensive if it was. Like I said, I want to keep this short and sweet, just show you what I got. There will be a link down below, and it's always on sale. There's always like a 10-15% off, so definitely take advantage of that. It comes in a simple box. There was a plastic sheet on here, and I, of course, removed it. It takes 3 AAA batteries, but you can end up modifying this if you want to do multiple to run off of USB. There's a lot of tutorials online on how to hook up electrical stuff like that. So super simple. Unfortunately, this does not rotate. It would be kind of cool if it did, and it ends up shifting through the colors. They do have other ones, I believe. I got the color shifting one, but they do have others that are just solid whatever colors. And I know that this is kind of getting blown out in this way. And I've actually turned off one of the overhead lights just so you end up getting. It does give a great effect for minis that you have displayed on here. It just makes it cleaner if you're wanting to do photographs and you're not wanting to pull out like a big turntable or big lights, things like that. You can put like filters or films over this to dull it down. I mean, it's a decent sized space. It's about 3 inches across. It's not super big. If you want to do a lot of these in your display cabinet for your real grades, things like that, you could easily end up doing that. But if you were wanting to do for knife displays, small product photography, I do like the fact that this plate is actually glass. A few of them that I've ended up picking up that it was plastic and it just scratches really easily, being acrylic and things. It being glass is not going to have that issue. It is fairly stable, but it does slide around. There's no rubber on the feet, but you could put something on there. I haven't left the batteries in there to see exactly how long that ends up lasting. But I would think that with it being just 2 LEDs in here, that it should last a fairly long time. Like I said, it does have solid color options that you can end up buying. And if you have a theme that you're going for, or anything like that, unfortunately, and I do wish that this had the option of being able to either cycle through the colors or lock it to a color. I have a couple of big turntables that I've ended up using for photography that you can set and lock it to a color. I do wish that this had that. But I understand for what it is. It's after the discount, I think it ends up being like less than $10. I think is what I ended up picking it up for. Like I said, if you're interested in something small like this, check out the link below. It's an Amazon affiliate link, of course. So if you purchase it, it doesn't cost you anything extra, but I get a few cents every time you buy one. I've gone through like 6 others and returned 6 others because they had either acrylic glass or acrylic sheet on the top that scratched, and it didn't feel very sturdy. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Definitely stick around. I have several videos coming up. I'm redoing my desk. So that means I have a new keyboard tray, one that pivots. I have a new stand for all of the video gear and keyboard switchers that I have over here. Hopefully that ends up working out. Bunch of little stuff like that. Like, I'm just trying to knock some of those out. Also, stay tuned because I also have a big electric mobile thing coming and a lot of mods for that. And I'm super excited about that. I can't wait. Hopefully that should be coming within a week. And I've already been waiting 2 months for it. So I'm chomping at the bit. I will see you guys all in the next video. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.